Woundclot is an effective haemostatic for controlling bleeding and is available for different sectors. Woundclot trauma. This version of Woundclot is intended for use in emergency situations. It's ideal for use by first aiders, first responders, military personnel and other high pressure scenarios where immediate control of bleeding is crucial. It comes in brown packaging and is available in sizes of 10 by 10 centimeters, 8 by 20 centimeters, 20 by 30 centimeters and a Z-fold pack which is 8 by 100 centimeters. Woundclot Vet has been specially designed for use on animals. Woundclot Veterinary can be used by vets and pet owners to control bleeding on pets and other animals, making it a versatile tool of pet first aid and veterinary scenarios. It comes in green packaging and is in 3 sizes, 10 by 10 centimeters, 8 by 20 centimeters and a Z-fold 8 by 100 centimeters. Woundclot training gauze is used to practice how to use Woundclot in different situations. It's only available in one size, an 8 cm by 100 cm Z-fold. The training gauze should not be used in an emergency situation and it comes in blue packaging.